Hi, nice to meet you all. Okay, my name is Alvin, Internal Public Relations Director of HUIC. Yeah, so good evening, and maybe you watch my videos tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. So I wish you a good afternoon or good morning. Yeah, so basically, in this video, in this first ever made video, I'm gonna share with you of one of our upcoming events. Okay, it's we have never organized such events before. Okay, and the collaboration with SP Ratio has marked very tremendous events that we're gonna organize and for you all to participate. Yeah, so it's so-called finance literacy workshop. Yeah, so basically finance literacy workshop, it combines, okay, it comprise of at least 80% of this so-called financial education. Yeah, so I'm gonna elaborate further. So in our life, in every people life, okay, we're gonna go through, okay, we're gonna possess three types of education, okay, and it's a must in today's era. So the first education that we're gonna possess and we have already gone through is so-called academic education. Yeah, from kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, uh, STPM, UEC, diploma, matriculasi, foundation, and so much more. Yeah, so this is so-called academic education. And second is what we are currently in right now, is so-called professional education. Yeah, so we are specialized in certain areas, for example finance, accounting, human resource, international business, marketing, psychology, yeah, IT. So this is so-called professional education, and the most important education which will not be taught, okay, in university, in academic education as well as this professional education, is so-called financial education. Yeah, so what is financial education about? It's about how you're gonna, okay, make your money to make more money, or in other terms, in order for you to survive, or the ultimate goal for you to achieve financial freedom. Okay, you're not going to work for anyone, okay, for the rest of your life. Yeah, so maybe you can choose, okay, to retire earlier than anyone else. Yeah, so this financial education, okay, requires your initiative to go and participate events, okay, or if you are so damn lucky, you will meet your mentor and you just follow your mentor what he told you to do, and you just follow, and this is what rich dad poor dad taught you about, right? So Robert Kiyosaki has a rich dad, or has poor dad, but he has a mentor. So the third the third way that you can acquire this financial education is through you is through experience, or what you so called like you make a huge amount of losses, okay, and then you learn from the losses that you make. So which pathway we're gonna choose, okay? uh, is it go go and put your initiative into participate events, or you're gonna uh, it depends on your luck. If you met a mentor, it's very pretty good. And third, you're gonna make a huge amount of losses, and then you learn from it. So think about it. Yeah. So this is a very great opportunity for you all. Okay, because it comprises of 6 modules. The first module is very interesting. It's a rich dad poor dad cash flow board game. Okay, you're gonna brings you to your future. Yeah, in the board game, gonna bring you to your future. So the second is risk management, how to manage your risk while investing, while doing all sorts of investments. Okay, third is what is so called unit trust. Okay, property investment. Okay, we're definitely gonna buy a property in our future, but property prices are so damn high. So you're gonna learn, okay, what are the games of rules in property investment, how you're gonna purchase property as early as you can. Yeah, so the fifth is unit trust, and last but not least, you're not gonna state down all your goals and get your action. Yeah, so if you have any questions, okay, feel free to visit our website, Help University Investment Club. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you there, and if you have any questions, okay, you can just PM this after you search in Facebook. Okay, you can just PM us. Okay, so see you there. Don't miss this great opportunity. Thank you.